Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events, and yes, I do think we'll have some strong and possibly severe thunderstorms, but on the whole grand scheme of things, knowing Arkansas weather as well as we do here at Channel 7, this is not going to be a major outbreak, but there could be some strong to severe thunderstorms, and we want to make sure you're prepared for this and what the specific threats are and the timing for this. And I'm also going to show you in this presentation something new. We have new products with this new technology that we have received at Channel 7. And again, this is I can't stress this enough. It's experimental. What I'm going to be showing you in just a couple of minutes. It's experimental. Don't take it literally. I'm just going to show it to you and let's see how it does. So don't panic when you see this because I'm not quite sure how tested this is and I got to do some more research. But you know what? That's what this blog is for because I just let it all hang out there. All right, this is what you're looking at here is something tried and true. It is very good. It is the HRRR, High Resolution Rapid Refresh model. It only goes out to 15 hours, but it is spectacularly good. Never perfect, but it does a very good job. And I'm recording this at 9:40, and this is simulated radar here for this event that's we're expecting to unfold for today with strong to severe thunderstorms. And we'll put this into motion for you. Today, I'm expecting thunderstorms again at 3 o'clock this afternoon. That's the time period to really start watching around mid-afternoon. And don't look at this and say, hey, Scott County, there's going to be thunderstorms. Logan County, there's going to be thunderstorms right here at 3 p.m. No, just know that in this area of the state and in eastern Oklahoma, the development, we should start to see some development of rain and thunderstorm activity. The cold front's still out here towards our west. Now, there's going to be a couple of waves here. This is at 5 o'clock. You see some showers and thunderstorms developing ahead of it. The main front is still out here towards our west, but this should rapidly accelerate towards the east. And the main round, I think, around 8:30, according to this, give or take 30 minutes or an hour, but we could see that line of thunderstorms coming in right around 8:30 this evening. So I'd say between 8 and 10 o'clock for central Arkansas, and then it quickly shifts east across the Mississippi River, and the severe threat will be winding down for much of the Channel 7 viewing area. But for you in southeastern Arkansas, that threat lingers. This is at 11:30. That threat lingers late this evening for southeast Arkansas and eastern Arkansas, but I think it's over with by midnight or shortly afterwards. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is something that I'm just going to try out and see how it does. The power outage index. I don't know how they came up with this. I don't know the formulas that they use. I don't know what they look at in this. All I can tell you is that the yellows appear to be a low chance for power outages, a lower chance, but some chance at least. And when you start to see oranges and especially reds, that's where there may be a higher chance for power outages. It's got to be looking at thunderstorm winds, but you see it's honing in on southern Arkansas. So I'm not saying there's going to be widespread power outages all over that area of the state. All I'm doing is saying, hey, I found this product and I want to see how it does. So don't run out and buy flashlights and don't do that. This is something they've had for a while with WSI, and we're just going to see how it does. So again, it's experimental. All right, now let's move on and look at that risk for severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center has already outlined, as we've been telling you, the entire state in a slight risk. But in this area bounded by northwest Arkansas towards Batesville, Memphis, on all areas south and east, it's now enhanced, which is a little bit more than slight and less than moderate. And this is the area that they're really going to be watching for the greatest potential today, which is late this afternoon into the evening. This is the greatest potential for severe thunderstorms. What exactly are we talking about? Well, let's talk about that tornado threat. In the brown shaded area, in that enhanced area, there's a 5% chance for seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any given point within this brown shaded area. So that's pretty low, but it may be enough that they issue a tornado watch. I think likely a severe thunderstorm watch will be issued, but there could be a tornado watch issued. I think that's on the low end of the risk. Obviously, 5% chance is not all that high, but it's there. That's why we can't let our guard down. Hail, a large area in that enhanced area, hail, a 30% chance for severe hail, and that's important. There's a 30% chance for severe hail within 25 miles of a given point. What is severe hail? 1 inch in diameter or greater. What about the wind threat? Well, there's a 30% chance within any 25 miles of any given point in this, I guess you'd call it purple shaded area, lavender, whatever you want to call it. 30% chance for severe winds, 58 miles per hour or greater. That's what severe winds are, and then 15% here. So when we look at the overall threat for this, and again, we're not expecting a major outbreak, it seems like on a scale, our storm threat index on a scale from low to medium to high to extreme, there's a medium threat for severe winds, severe hail, a low threat for tornadoes, and the flooding threat we're going to continue to categorize as low with this. But southeastern Arkansas, you have had a lot of water recently, so that would be the area of the state to really watch. If there's going to be a brief flooding threat, it would be especially across southeastern Arkansas. I hope it doesn't come to this, and I really don't think it will. But if it does, just to let you know that we stream live on our weather app, KATV. It's a weather app, so and our news app too. So if we get into a situation, make sure you have those. They're down on your smartphone. You can download those for free. If you want to, in your car, or if you got a radio, B98.5, The Point 94.1, The Buzz 103.7, and Heartbeat 106.7. Those are our sources that we will stream, that they take our live audio feed and stream that over the radio if we get in any type of continuous weather coverage. So I don't want to cause any panic out there with that power outage index. I just thought, hey, weather geeks, let's see how this works out. I don't know how that's derived, that product, but we'll see. You know, you get new weather toys, and you start playing around with it, and you look and you see, well, what's this? What's that? And you start poking around at all the different products, and you say, that looks interesting. So let's see how that does. So again, the time period is, and let me see if I can go back to this, the HRRR. Just scrolling through this afternoon, you see 3 o'clock, and then we just keep scrolling through here. It appears one round of thunderstorms here, then with the frontal boundary. At any given time, strong to severe, the main threat, wind and hail. And then I think by between 8 and 10 in the Little Rock metro area, that's when the main line comes through. And then the threat starts to wind down as it crosses the Mississippi River around midnight tonight, or maybe a little bit after. Thank you so much for making the Arkansas Weather Blog what it is today. We are your ticket to big weather events.